Create this viral ripple transition in After Effects. Got my 2 clips from the new Harry Potter trailer on the timeline. Right click, new, adjustment layer, effects and presets, warp, apply that to the adjustment layer, warp style, fisheye. Gonna go to frame 1, keyframe the bend at 0. Go to the frame where the 2 clips cut, and then do -50, and then go to the last frame and do 0 again. Press U on the keyboard to bring up the keyframes, highlight them all, right click, keyframe assistant, easy ease or F9 for short, speed graph editor. Bring the speed up so it begins slow and then quickens towards the cut. So you should get something like this. Make sure you apply motion blur as well. Effects and presets, ripple. Apply that to the adjustment layer. On frame 1, let's put the radius to 100. The wave speed to 0.4. Wave width to 30. Wave height to 0. Then keyframe the wave width and the wave height. Go to where the cut is. On frame 12 for me, change the width to 100 and the wave height to 40. Then go to the ending frame, wave width to 2 and the wave height to 0. And this way there's a tiny bit of bleeding, and you'll see now that we have some black edges, so we're just going to add a transform. Scale it up slightly. U on the keyboard again, highlight all those ripple keyframes we made. Keyframe assistance, easy ease. On the wave width, speed graph editor, and just do a soft diamond shape. The same for the height. Now I'm going to import my ripple overlay element with the black background under the adjustment layer. Bring it into the timeline. Scale it up. Change the blending mode to add. Press T, you're going to turn down the opacity to about 40%. And I'll keyframe it on the cut. And then go to about frame 6. Turn it down to 0. And then go to the final frame and turn the opacity to 0. Highlight those keyframes. Easy ease. Speed graph editor. Make the soft diamond shape. And then I'm also going to right click, go time, enable time remapping. And then make 2 keyframes. One where our first opacity frame is. And then one towards the end where the last opacity frame is. Now if we highlight both those keyframes, easy ease, speed graph editor, we can make the ripple fast and then we can slow it down. Highlight everything, right click, pre-compose, add a wiggle position, wiggle speed 0.5, wiggle amount 80, and then just, so we've got no black edges. And it adds just a bit of movement. It's a bit like the flow style. You know, it just sort of glues it all together. And then I just added a little tiny curves on it. And voila, there we have it. Viral ripple transition. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.